Hello everyone. Today we will discuss law of contracts. Actually, we will discuss something very basic and something very general to the law. We will not discuss law of contracts actually, but we will discuss some general points regarding the government, regarding the laws. But before, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Next Generation Study. So, before going deep into the law of contract, let us know the general points about the government. First point, President is the signing authority as our country is a republic. We all know India is a democratic republic. So, President के पास सिर्फ signing की ही power है. Then comes the Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the decision maker. The main decisions are made by the Prime Minister of our country. Unlike USA, जिसके अंदर प्रेसिडेंट जो होता है वो डिसीजन मेकर होता है एंड वो ही साइनिंग अथॉरिटी भी होता है. इंडिया के अंदर ऐसा नहीं होता. देन कम्स कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स. प्राइम मिनिस्टर के बाद में आते हैं कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर. कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स जो होते हैं दे आर अपॉइंटेड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट सिंस प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज ऑल्सो अपॉइंटेड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट and according to the will of our citizens of our country. But the cabinet ministers are advised by the prime minister to the president. This means that the president is made aware of the cabinet ministers and the cabinet ministers are chosen by the prime minister, but they are appointed by the president. So, our Indian government is divided into three parts: legislature, executive, judiciary. Legislature is Vidhan Mandal, executive is Karyapalika, judiciary is Nyayapalika. Since our Indian government actually runs on the separation of power principle, that is, the power should not be in one hand. It should be divided among various authorities. So here also we can see that legislature, that is, making and passing of laws, takes place in legislature. Executive, they help in executing the laws. Then comes the judiciary. Judiciary sees whether or not the laws which are made are for benefit of citizens, or maybe they are void, or maybe they are not the part or is affecting the basic structure of our constitution, the law of our land. Then comes parliament. हैव यू एवर वंडर्ड पार्लियामेंट होता क्या है? हम लोग नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में बोल तो देते हैं कि पार्लियामेंट ने ये लॉ पास कर दिया, पार्लियामेंट ने ये कर दिया, पार्लियामेंट हेडलाइंस में चल रहा है अभी. लेकिन होता क्या है भाई पार्लियामेंट? ये जानते हो आप लोग कि पार्लियामेंट लोकसभा है? ऑब्वियसली अब सब जानते होंगे क्योंकि पार्लियामेंट इज़ लोकसभा. बट मेरे साथ पता है क्या हुआ था? When I was small, I never knew what parliament is. पार्लियामेंट में बैठते कौन है? बस मेरे को इतना पता था, मेरे डेट ऑफ बर्थ पे पार्लियामेंट्री अटैक हुआ था, टेररिस्ट अटैक था वो, जिसके अंदर पार्लियामेंट सेशन चल रहा था एंड द मिनिस्टर्स इन देयर वर इन डेंजर. मुझे इतना ही आइडिया था बस. टिल 12th आई न्यू ओनली दिस. आई यूज टू अवॉइड all these chapters which include president, state of ministers, cabinet ministers, prime minister. इनके बारे में सब कुछ, इनको कौन अपॉइंट करता है, कौन नहीं अपॉइंट करता है, ये सारे के सारे चैप्टर्स मैंने खूब अच्छे से अवॉइड किए हैं. Later, I have to learn all of this. Then, when my semester first started, I was confronted with this question: who is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan? Honestly, I didn't know the answer. Actually, I knew the answer, but the question was so spontaneous that I wasn't aware what I have to answer. But I was saved because the person sitting near to me answered that question. I'm really thankful for that person who said this answer, Ashok Gehlot, and I heard it. So I said, Chief Minister is Ashok Gehlot. Like, I know who the Chief Minister, but in the bottom of my heart, I knew that I don't know who is the Chief Minister. I just knew who is the Prime Minister, as Prime Minister is Narendra Modi, then also, now also. So, okay, this was my childhood story. So, I want everyone to be aware about these small little things about law or about like which we say general knowledge. सबको होना चाहिए यार. मतलब I don't know whether or not we think about general questions, but general knowledge, general aptitude बहुत important होता है. It's like it should be the part of our books, of our legal books, of our, the schooling. We should know these things. So let's get back to the video. Parliament is the Lok Sabha. Now, Lok Sabha has two houses. The upper house, Rajya Sabha, the lower house, Vidhan Sabha. ये दोनों हाउसेस लोकसभा के अंडर में आते हैं. देन लेट अस टॉक अबाउट जुडिशरी. जुडिशरी जो होता है इंडिया का, दैट फॉलोज द हायरार्किकल सिस्टम. हायरार्किकल सिस्टम यानी कि सबसे पहले सबसे बड़ा कोर्ट, सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट कोर्ट, द अपेक्स कोर्ट, दैट इज सुप्रीम कोर्ट. देन कम्स द हाई कोर्ट. हाई कोर्ट स्टेट्स के होते हैं. सुप्रीम कोर्ट पूरे यूनियन का होता है. हाई कोर्ट स्टेट्स के लिए होते हैं. टोटल हाई कोर्ट्स इन इंडिया आर 25. Earlier there were 21 high courts. Now there are total 25 high courts. And another thing, राजस्थान के अंदर 2 हाई कोर्ट्स हैं. One in जोधपुर, the other one is in जयपुर. जोधपुर मेन हाई कोर्ट. जयपुर, the branch of Jodhpur High Court is also there in Jaipur High Court. Then comes the district court. District courts, the lower courts which are present in different districts and all over India. District courts could be divided into 2 parts, that is civil and sessional. Civil cases goes to civil court. Sessional यानी कि criminal cases goes in sessional court. Now that's all for today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel Next Generation Study. Thank you.